Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous session, we have discussed the experiment number 1, which is pre-trained words and perform arithmetic operations based on word-to-vec model. In this session, we will be discussing the Viva questions which can be asked, which are most important, and whether it can be asked in the lab exams. So we will learn some important Viva questions, and then in the previous session, I have discussed each line and explained this program. You can go through it. In this, see, this is the program we have typed in last session. Now we are going to run in this session. We will continue. See, this is the program, experiment 1 of GenAI. Now I am going to run this program. We'll wait for 1 minute. So this Google Colab will generate the output. Until that, we will be discussing this Viva questions. First question: what is word-to-vec? Word-to-vec is a technique that converts words into numerical vectors while preserving their meanings and relationships. See here, what does word-to-vec do? This word-to-vec, it is technique. Usually, it converts the words into numerical vectors by preserving their meanings and relationships. It won't display, like, it will preserve the meanings and relationships, and it converts words into numerical words. Okay, then what is a word embedding? What is a word embedding? Word embedding is a vector representation of a word in a continuous numerical space. You can say it as a vector representation. Word embedding is used for vector representation. That's it. Next question is, why do we use word to vec? Word to vec is used to represent words numerically. So machines can understand semantic relationship between words. Okay. So these machines can understand semantic relationship between words. In order to make machines understand, we use this word to vec, which will represent words numerically. Basically, word to vec means it will represent words in a numeric way. Okay, next, what is a pre-trained model? There is one question for you people. In this program, what pre-trained model we have used? As you can see, this pre-trained model, what we have used in this experiment is word2vec Google News 300. This is the pre-trained word model we have used in the word2vec model. Okay, next, why is it called Google News 300? See, Google News 300. Why is it called Google News 300? Because it was trained on Google News data and each word is represented using three-dimensional vector. I repeat, Google News 300. Why is it called? Because it is trained already in Google News data and each word is represented in three-dimensional vectors. So the dimensionality vector is 300. What is GenSim? We have used this GenSim package, right? This is the GenSim Python library used for modeling and word embedding models like word2vec. I repeat, GenSim is a Python library used for modeling and word embedding. You can say that. Why do we use NumPy? Why do we use this NumPy? You all will be knowing why do we use NumPy, right? NumPy is used for numerical and vector operations. NumPy is used for numerical and vector operations. Next, in this program we have used API.load. The word API.load. See, API.load. What is the use of this? What does API do? This can be asked in the exam, right? API load, it does what it does, the load in the word load, API load only, load is there, right? It loads the pre-trained word to vec model. That means it downloads and loads the pre-trained word to vec model. Next comes, what is vector arithmetic? Vector arithmetic is nothing but simple mathematical operations performed on word vectors. So it is vector arithmetic, mathematical operations performed on word vectors. It's called vector arithmetic. Next, in previous session I have said like king minus man plus woman. We have used in this, right? Word 1 minus word 2 plus word 3. That means king, see wait, king, word 1. Where is it? Word 1 is king 1, king, word 2 is man, and word 3 we have used, right? See, this is the formula like word 1 minus word 2 plus word 3. Here word 1 is king, word 2 is man, word 3 is woman. So in this, if we substitute king minus man plus woman, king minus man plus woman, what it explains? The resulting vector is closest to queen because king and man are both similar and woman is, so the resulting vector it will be closest to the queen, showing semantic relationships learned by the model. See, woman and queen are both the same, like it belongs to the same relationship. Okay, and king and man are almost semantic relationships. Next, what does similarity do? Similarity, it calculates similarity score. Simple, it calculates similarity scores between two words. Next, more similar do, it returns words that are more similar to the given word. Okay, it returns the most similar words. That's it. It in the word only there are many answers. You can give it as it is. Next, what is the vocabulary? I said many times what is vocabulary in the previous session. Now I will say the what answer you can give for the vocabulary. Vocabulary means it is nothing but a collection of all words known as a model. That's it. Collection of words known to the model, you can say. That is the vocabulary. What is NLP? What is the full form of NLP? NLP, it is a natural language processing. It is a field of AI. Okay, NLP is a natural language processing. It is field of AI where it enables computers to understand human language, right? It enables it enables computers to understand human language. It is very important. So the human language should be understood by computers so to perform further operations. For that, NLP is used. It is the field of AI. How is word to vec related to GenAI? Word embeddings are fundamental NLP representation used in many AI and generative AI systems. This is fundamental natural language processing representation used in AI and generative AI. So word embeddings are related actually. Next, mainly, what is the output of this experiment? See, maybe we have got output. I hope it's still coming. Google Colab takes time. It it's been 8 minutes. Yeah, it's still executing. And my net is speed, but still it's taking time. Okay, still more 3 more questions are there. We can discuss about it. And what is the output of this experiment? Output of this experiment will be similar words, similarity scores, and semantic relationships between words. As we have said, like king minus man plus woman, answer will be queen, right? Like the semantic relationships, the answers will be displayed. Similar words, similarity scores, and semantic relationship between words. This is the output for this experiment. That's it, I hope. Quick revision, word to vec, it is a word embedding model. Word embedding, it is vector representation of word. NLP, it is a natural language processing. Okay. What is Gensim? Python library. Python library, right? Gensim is a Python library used for modeling and word embedding models. Okay. And what is NumPy? Numerical computations for numerical way representation. NumPy is used. What is a pre-trained model? It is already pre-processed, like already trained model. That is called pre-trained model. In this experiment, we have used Word2Vec Google News 300 as a pre-trained model. Um, why Google News 300? Because three-dimensional vectors. That's it. API load, it will load the model. API load means it will load the model. That's it. Next, what is vector arithmetic? I said it performs the mathematical operations using word vectors. So, vector arithmetic. What is similarity? Most similar you know guys. What is vocabulary? It is a collection of words between in the model. Okay. What is vector? It is a numerical representation. That's it. That's it, guys. You can your vivas are finished in this program. Only the output is remaining. If I get output soon, I can show for you all. What is the output? Actually, it's a long output. We get it's too large output. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, I will continue in the next small section. Okay, this output I will show you and I will explain how it came. See you guys.